Hello. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for joining Nails by KJ. I'm your girl, KJ. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In this video on today, we are going to remove these nails right here. This set is acrylic. This set is polygel. Okay, so it's removed the same way. The prepping process is the same way, but this video shows how I remove them. They do not have a peel off base on it. I forgot to use it. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So today, guess what came in the mail today is the MelodySusie S series. It is a dust collecting fan, and it is the rechargeable one. Now I have the old one that you plug into the wall, but I wanted the rechargeable one because it's versatile, right? You can move it anywhere, and we're gonna check it out today. This video is not sponsored at all. I absolutely love MelodySusie products, and I wanted to get a rechargeable dust collector for convenience. All right, so let me show you what it looks like. Let me move this box out the way. And it looks just like my original one, but it has the rechargeable base on the side. Plug it in, charge right there, and it took about an hour, maybe not even an hour to fully charge. So I am excited. Now what I am going to do is, it comes with a filter, only one filter, but I got this off of Shein. No, I got this off of Amazon. These are filters, right? These are covers for my filter. See that? So I just place it right here, and then it'll catch all the dust to save and preserve this filter right here. This is almost like a really like a cheesecloth, really thin. Pink, I got pink because I like the color pink, and it goes right on top. And when I cut it on, all the dust would go on this one, on my little lint wrap, and I can keep and preserve my filter for longer periods of time. Now let's get to removing these nails. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the dust collector. All right, so it comes in 3 modes. You have your on and off switch, and then low, medium, and fast speed on here. Okay, so we're gonna cut it on. Then it's on 1 now. Let's see if y'all can hear it. This is 2. And this is 3. All right. So this is the process that I go to. I have my napkin right here. I take these big toenail clippers, all right? They are industrial strength. I also got these off of Amazon, and I cut them down first. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna cut. You see that? It's just these big old mega nice. Love them. These mega clippers here. Industrial strength. All right, so now this is a safety bit. You'll see at the end it's rounded, so that's going to help around the cuticle area so you won't cut yourself. But these bits are also from MelodySusie, all right? I got them off of Amazon, and I'm gonna start off at a low speed. My low speeds are around my cuticle areas, and then I gradually move up. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I'm now at around 18. I think I got up to a 23 on this set right here, trying to remove everything off because I'm trying to get it as low as possible, as thin as possible. So when it goes into the acetone, I'm not in the acetone for so long. But yeah, you see how it's coming off with ease when you get it up at a higher speed. But around my cuticle area, I think I was around maybe 8 or 9 with this bit. in this section right here, this is my non-dominant hand. This is my right hand. And I wanted to show y'all in real time how slow I go with my non-dominant hand. I have not perfected it yet on going, I can get it off as fast as my left hand. So it's at the same full speed. I think it's at like a RPM of 18 or something like that. But I'm going extra slow when it comes to my nail. And you see I'm just zipping it one line at a time. One line at a time. So I'm practicing on that non-dominant hand, trying to get fast like I am on the other hand. But until then, I'm keeping it away from my cuticle and getting it down as low as possible. So you can see right here, the look how slow it is. Look how slow I'm going, y'all. Them drill bits don't be playing. So y'all, you can see right here, this is my left hand. You see I got my left hand down so thin. Look at that. Then look at my right hand. Still thick. But that's okay though. So now it's time to soak these bad boys in some acetone. And if you want to see how I prep the nails, click this video right here.